Hey guys, my name is Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. For today's video, I wanted to share with you two really fast and easy fall Dollar Tree DIYs that I made. So let's get into it. For this project, I'm going to frame these fall leaves. Dollar Tree does carry a couple of other different styles with pumpkins, and they're also really cute. And then you're also going to need one of Dollar Tree's large picture frames. If you want to do the double glass picture frame, make sure to pick up 2 picture frames. These leaves are like large stickers, so just place them on the glass however you want them to look, and that's basically it. I'm going to trim the leaves that are hanging off of the edge of the glass. To do the double glass frame, add the first glass and then add your glass with the leaves and then just close everything up. But I'm only going to do one glass so that I can show you guys how this looks, because if I do both of the glasses, it's going to be really hard for the leaves to look good on camera since the glass is really reflective. For the next project, I'm going to make a coffee cup wall hanging. Grab one of these coffee cup wood cutouts from Dollar Tree. The terracotta pumpkin look is really popular right now, so I'm going to do that with this coffee cup. I'm going to use the color Clay Pot by Folk Art and mix in a little bit of white to make it a little bit lighter, and then I'm going to add in some baking soda to get that faux ceramic look. The color looks good, so now I'm going to paint the pumpkin and the coffee cup with this terracotta color. I'm using the color Vintage White by Folk Art to paint the lid and the sleeve, and then I also did mix in a little bit of that baking soda in there. I wanted to give this a little bit more of a powdery look, so I sprinkled some baking soda on the terracotta parts and then I rubbed it in, but it didn't really stick that well. I feel like I should have tried it with some like flour or like actually just like dried brushed some white paint on there, but it's whatever. I did want to add a tassel to the bottom of this, so I'm using some Dollar Tree yarn to make a tassel. I'm using some jute cord from Dollar Tree to hang this all together. And then I'm also adding in some wooden beads from Dollar Tree. I'm going to attach this little tassel to the coffee cup with some hot glue, and then we're done. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you try one of these out and subscribe for more DIYs, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!